Hello everyone, this is Fiza from Phys IELTS. In today's session, we are going to discuss one map based question. You guys can see in front of me there is one map and it has 6 questions. In your examination also, you can get 5 to 6 questions of map based. So without wasting any time, let's solve these questions. I am going to play one audio and you guys have to come up with the right answer along with me. Let's begin.
Question number 1.
Now listen and answer questions 15 to 20.
Now let me give you some idea of the layout of the farm. The building where you bought your tickets is the new barn immediately to your right. And we're now at the beginning of the main path to the farmland. And of course, the car park is on your left. The scarecrow you can see in the car park in the corner beside the main path is a traditional figure for keeping the birds away from crops. But our scarecrow is a permanent sculpture. It's taller than a human being, so you can see it from quite a distance.
Okay. So always remember, when you are solving map based question, you should use your hand in order to tell the correct direction. So this is your right hand and this one is your left. If they will say turn right, so this is your right hand and you turn like this. And if they are saying that turn your left, this is your left hand, turn like this. Here they are saying that the scarecrow, it is on the corner of the car park. तो scarecrow की पोजीशन इन्होंने corner of the car park बताई है. तो car park का corner क्या होगा? It is this, this, this or this one. Okay. Now additionally they are saying that on the main path. Okay, so you can see here there is one option only where it is on the corner also and main path also. So the answer for this one will be F1. Yes, correct. It's the F1. Let's move to the next one now.
Question number 2.
If you look ahead of you, you'll see a maze. It's opposite the new barn, beside the side path that branches off to the right, just over there.
Okay. So for the maze, they are saying it is opposite the main barn. There is one option given only opposite the main barn, so that the answer for this one will be G. Correct. Let's move to the third one now.
Question number 3.
The maze is made out of hedges which are too tall for young children to see over them, but it's quite small, so you can't get lost in it. Now, can you see the bridge crossing the fish pool further up the main path? If you want to go to the cafe, go towards the bridge and turn right just before it. Walk along the side path and the cafe's on the first bend you come to. The building was originally the schoolhouse and it's well over 100 years old.
Okay, so they are saying that when you will go towards the bridge and turn right, this is your right, you just turn like this, and it is present the first bend when you are going to the side path. What is bend? Bend is something, with the turning of the road. अगर कोई भी मोड़ आता है and all, you guys can see over here, यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? ये road bend कर रही है, मुड़ रही है यहाँ पर. So the very first turn he is saying it, the building is over there, the cafe building is over there. So here the answer will be D. Yes. Let's move to the next one now.
Question number 4.
As you may know, we run skills workshops here, where you can learn traditional crafts like woodwork and basket making. You can see examples of the work and talk to someone about the courses in the Black Barn. If you take the side path to the right, here, just by the new barn, you'll come to the Black Barn, just where the path first bends.
Where the path first bends. Okay, and they are talking about the side path from the new barn. So what will be the answer here? Yes, H will be the correct answer.
Question number 5.
Now, I mustn't forget to tell you about picnicking, as I can see some of you have brought your lunch with you. You can picnic in the field, though do clear up behind you, of course. Or if you'd prefer a covered picnic area, there's one near the farmyard, just after you cross the bridge. There's a covered picnic spot on the right. And the last thing to mention is
When you cross the bridge, okay, towards the farmyard, it is on your right. Okay, so just when you will cross the bridge, it is on your right. So which option will be the correct over here? It will be C. Okay, so some people will say, ma'am, B can also be the answer. No, B cannot be the answer over here, because just when you have crossed the bridge, it is towards the right. तो फार्म यार्ड की पोजीशन पे जाने को उसने नहीं बोला है. They just said के after crossing the bridge, it is towards the right. Let's move to next one.
Question number 6.
Fiddy House itself. From here you can cross the bridge, then walk along the footpath through the field to the left of the farmyard. That goes to the house, and it'll give you a lovely view of it. It's certainly worth a few photographs, but as it's a private home, I'm afraid you can't go inside.
Yes, the correct answer for this one will be A1. So when you will cross the bridge and on the left side you will go to the footpath, it is just there. That is A1 will be the correct answer for Fiddy House. Okay, so this is all about how to solve map based questions. There are other questions as well where you just need to use your hands and to come up with the correct direction. There is one other approach as well, where you have to see the signpost and then need to see the direction like north, west, south, east. That we will discuss in the upcoming map based question. Thank you so much everyone for today.